The Amazing Jumping Spider. Part 1. Learn about spiders. Some people don't like spiders. They shudder and squirm when they think about them. It's true that spiders may seem a little scary. After all, they have 8 legs, many eyes, and a set of fangs that can let out venom. And when their egg sacs burst, hundreds of baby spiders crawl out. But spiders are generally not harmful to people. They are harmful only to the creatures they eat. Spiders live almost everywhere in the world, except the South Pole. They live on top of steep mountains, in the forest, on your street, and wherever there are bugs to eat. The fact is, there are more spiders than people living on Earth. More than 40,000 kinds of spiders have been discovered. There may be twice as many still to find. Some spiders have it easy. They make their webs do all the work. First, they spin their sticky cobwebs, which are made of silk threads. Then, they wait for a bug to fly into the tangle of string. Others, like the jumping spider, don't catch their food in a web. Instead, they hunt for it. Part 2. A look at the jumping spider. A jumping spider has great eyesight for hunting. When you examine it, you first notice its 8 eyes. 2 look straight ahead and are especially big. 2 smaller eyes are located next to those. The other 4 are on the sides and in the back of its head. Having eyes in the front and the back helps the spider keep track of the creatures it hunts. Its eyes are also important for it to judge how much space is between it and its prey. Jumping spiders often look different from one another. Some are black and white like zebras. Others have spots of bright color. They blend in with what's around them, which makes it easy for them to hide before attacking. Before a jumping spider is ready to jump, it has to prepare. The spider grabs the end of its silk thread to fasten it to a windowsill or a branch. The thread is as strong as steel, and the spider uses it as its safety line. This way, if it falls, it won't get hurt and can crawl back up the line. With its thread fastened tight, it is ready to jump. Part 3. How a jumping spider hunts. A jumping spider's jump isn't just a little hop. It is a long-distance jump. A jumping spider can jump a distance more than 40 times the length of its body. For a spider, that can mean flying through the air for several feet. If you could jump like a spider, it would mean jumping over 10 cars. However, it can take a jumping spider a long time to find its prey and prepare to jump. When it hunts, a jumping spider is like a tiger. It quietly waits for just the right moment. Then, suddenly, it jumps. It jumps so fast, it surprises its prey. The bug becomes frantic. It squirms, moving in every direction. The spider bites the bug with its fangs. The shock of the bite and the venom soon quiet the bug, and it stops trying to spread its wings. Now, the jumping spider eats its meal. When it's done, it may wait a day or two before it starts its amazing hunt all over again.